video trying to make samples of glosses before I dive headfirst in. I got this little case from Dollar Tree. It is a pill medicine case. I just put those white stickers on it. These are my pigments, micas, glitters, my TKB Versagel. Yeah, these are just my colors, holographic glitter, got some pinks and all that other, 24 karat gold. There's some stuff I just put in containers. Yeah, so this is my first YouTube video. Oh, what the hell I just did? Whatever. Listen, this is my first time doing anything. Like, bear with me, please. Yeah, so, like I said, I got these little pill cases from the Dollar Tree. I just put some little white labels on them and wrote the mica colors and the glitters on top. This is me adding the Versagel into each slots. I am just, mixing colors together for 7. I'm trying to start a lip gloss line, and yeah. We just trying to, I didn't want to, be making big old batches or whatever. Like, I didn't want to dive in head first. I wanted to do, little sample ones to see how it's going to turn out. And I thought this was a really cool idea. I thought I'd share. This is my first time ever recording a video, trying to edit, all that. This is a TKB Oil Fusion Gel. I just put 2 little drops in each container just to give it, a nice consistency. Again, I'm trial and error. I'm just testing things out. I thought this might help somebody. You don't gotta waste product. Just playing with colors, hoping they look right. Try this out first. This might help you out a lot. So we're gonna do the 24 karat gold first. I actually like that color a lot. It's really pretty. It's like a glitter. I'm sorry, my lighting is not good, guys. Again, this is my first time recording a video. Even trying to do anything. Okay, rose glitter. Dope. Nice pink color. My camera doesn't no justice. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna get better editing and all that other stuff. Just bear with the kid. Holographic glitter. That's really pretty. So those little spoons that I got those from TKB too. They were really cheap. I forget how many I ordered. I ordered a lot of samples. I actually ordered a lip gloss kit from them. This is another pink color. It's a lighter pink actually than the rose gold. You'll see everything at the end. But my boyfriend actually bought my first lip gloss kit, and it came with a whole bunch of stuff. And I just been ordering stuff here and there. But yeah, that's my kids in the back. Don't mind them feet. But yeah, that's what we doing. This next one, Be My Valentine. That is really pretty. It's really pretty because there's no glitter in it though. So I might make some more and start fooling around with the glitter stuff. But I just wanted to see how things would come out. Again, we doing samples. We ain't jumping in head first. We preparing. Mo Better Brown. That's really pretty. It's like a bronzy brown color. It's a glitter actually. So I was trying to show y'all, but there go my kid again. So I was actually, those little spatulas, they actually came in my lip gloss kit. I'm gonna order some more actually. So I only had a couple to work with. This is me showing y'all. I just put 1 little scoop. Those are the names of the micas and the glitters on each one. I like to be very organized. So yeah, so those are little spatulas. Mix it. You see me whipping it? That was a nice color. I'm trying, y'all. Bear with me. I promise I will get better. But yeah, it was cool. I actually finally set my desk. I had this stuff for so long. I've been slack. I've been being a sack of shit. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. The rose glitter came out really pretty. I wish. Oh, my camera light. I'm gonna work on all of that. Hold me down in the process. Yeah, so I was just mixing it up. I was home one day. I had a little tripod. Put my phone up. Put a little light next to it. That was really pretty. That's the holographic glitter, y'all. The next one is Rascally Rose. That is a really light pink, and it has a light shimmer in it. But it's pretty. I think I actually want to mix that with the rose glitter. I think that would look really, really nice together. But yeah, look, I'm just, we just practicing. We practicing. We seeing how colors gonna go together and all that. This one is a Sparkle Rose. And this is just a tad bit darker than the Rascally Rose. And that would look really pretty with the rose glitter too. I'm gonna fool around with all of them. I'm gonna actually get some more of these pill cases. Actually, this pill case has another side. So I could actually mix up 7 more. And then I bought another pill case. But it's a larger one. It's only, the 7 days of the week. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. This is Be My Valentine. That's really pretty too. I actually want to try that with the rose glitter. So the rose glitter is so pretty. So I'm gonna try that with all the pinks and see how that goes. Be My Valentine. That's the color, the mica color. And all the stuff you can get at TKB Trading. So this is the Mo Better Brown. It's a glitter, like a bronzy brown glitter. And my camera doesn't know justice. Yeah, but this is my first time even like editing a video. Like I've never done this before. I'm on YouTube looking up stuff. So I added Sparkle Brown because I didn't like the way the Mo Better glitter looked with it. So I added a little bit of the Sparkle Bronze color, which was really nice. If I do decide on making that color, I'm probably gonna add some more of the Mo Better Brown glitter because you couldn't really see it. It basically just turned it bronze, but it is a nice color. It is a nice like rose gold kind of bronzy color, and I think it would look really good with a little bit more of the Mo Better Brown glitter. Yeah, so this is me. I'm practicing. I learned a lot from these girls on YouTube. Yeah, so this is me showing y'all my little creations. This didn't take no time. Look, I try to put the light on it. Y'all see? Yeah, so, yeah, that was real easy. It was fun. And, just trying to show it off in the light. So this is me. This is just a gift box, a white gift box, top or bottom. I don't know. I just wrote the mica colors down. And this is me taking one of my old concealer brushes, and I'm just swiping them across, under each name I wrote, so y'all could see how it look against, a white surface. I feel like it would stand out more. So yeah, that's me just, I only have one brush, so that's me just cleaning it with a tissue in my hand after each wipe, because I don't want to mix the colors together. Again, these samples, they're not being used on anybody's lips. This is just me practicing. So I don't be wasting product and mixing colors and it come out wrong and it come out ugly. We doing a little bit at a time. Be practicing. Gotta get these recipes right and all that. And this is me really, it's just, these are all one mica color except for the last one. This one has 2, the glitter and the mica. But yeah. I want y'all to see, look how they came out. They came out really good. Really, really good. And this is not even me mixing too much of that, just really one scoop of these colors. But I want to thank y'all for watching. This is my first YouTube video. Listen, I'm gonna get really better at it. Thank you guys. I hope somebody tries this out. This is me trying to put the thing in, and yeah, my heavy-handed ass shit. Look, don't worry, nothing's spelled out. So yeah, that's me just showing y'all the case, and I'm gonna probably do more in the 7. So thank y'all.